As a quick announcement, the Sweet Softies merch shop is now open. There are gifts for crocheters, crafters, yarn addicts, mamas, and more. It's all designed by yours truly. Here's a sneak peek at some of the apparel in my shop. I have hoodies, tees, and more designs and pieces coming. I also have different items for crocheters like water bottles, caps, zipper tote bags, and canvas pouches. The link to my shop is in the description box below. Thank you. Hey everyone, this is Jade from Sweet Softies, and I'm excited to share with you my Cottage Doll Amigurumi pattern. The Sweet Doll is a Ragdoll doll base. You can see that her legs are bendable, like so. Her arms are also bendable, and you can also sew a little joint in them to make them have more points of articulation. The entire doll base is actually done with no-sew methods, so the head, the arms, the body, the legs are all crocheted in one piece. The only part that requires sewing is to attach the hair cap onto the head, and I wanted to share the hair cap with you as well. This design is different from my other designs because I actually have designed it so that she has somewhat of a fringe, as you can see here, and that's done using crochet methods. In the past, I tend to sew my doll's fringe or bangs on, but I wanted to do it in more of a crochet method. She also has crocheted braids. So all of this is done with crochet, and I basically made 3 long strands of hair and braided them together. And she has removable pieces of clothing, and these pieces are actually all no-sew as well. They are very quick and easy to work up, and you'll have lots of fun choosing the colors for your doll's outfit. Here are the removable clothing accessories that go with the Cottage Doll pattern. Here is a little cardigan jacket and little boots to match. She also has this lovely dress skirt and a little hooded bonnet. Let's go ahead and put them on. Here she is, nice and cozy and all dressed up. And I did also want to share another feature of this pattern, which is that she has some details in her foot so that you can see instead of being a straight cylinder, she does have a foot and a point here. All right, and her shoes reflect that as well. Got a nice little heel in the back. The crochet PDF pattern is a written pattern with over 100 different progress photos, and that will help you step by step through the doll making process. It's been fully tested by a team of testers, so I know that the pattern is well written and easy to follow. I do recommend this doll for an intermediate crocheter who is familiar with the amigurumi stitches that are used for this pattern. If you'd like more information about this pattern, please feel free to look at the pattern information page linked below or at the PDF pattern link. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye now.